Welcome to our verbal reasoning lesson. Today, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be finding a hidden word, a hidden four-letter word inside a sentence. Okay. This instruction says that in each sentence below, a four-letter word is hidden at the end of one word and at the start of the next word. Okay. So this is the sentence here. It says, I want to win every time. So what they're basically telling us is that there's a four-letter word hidden at the end of the word in front and at the beginning of the word that's next to it. Okay. So what you need to do is basically to find out what that four-letter word is. Right. So if it's a four-letter word, usually you start by looking at the letters. You start by looking at the words that follow each other. For example, if I want to look for the letter word, what I need to do is to think about four letters. Now, the four letters, I will always number them from number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if there's a four-letter word, what's going to happen is that these four letters will have to come from two words that are next to each other. Now, there are two ways. You can have the first two letters coming from the end of the first word and the next two coming from the other word. Alternatively, you can have three letters coming from the first word and only one letter coming from the other word. The other thing you could find, you can have only one letter from the first word and three from the other word, okay, to make four. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this is the first word and this is the second word, okay, so it could be 2, 2 to make 4, could be 3, 1, or it could be 1, 2, 3. So it could be 2, 2, 2, or it could be 3 to 1, or it could be 1 to 3. There are only those options that you can think of, okay? Right, so if you think, let's just pretend we're looking for that letter word from from the first two words here. So I've got I want. Now this is only one letter. Yeah, so if you take one from there, we have to take three from the other one. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3 in that case. So it's going to be this option here, 1, 2, 3. Now that 1, 2, 3 is saying I want, which doesn't make sense. That's not a word. So the first word and the second word, those two don't work. So we're going to try this one. You can try in any order. You can think about the first three from here and the first one there. So 1, 2, 3, and 3. So that's the word ANTT, which is not a word. So that doesn't make sense. The other thing you can do, try 2, 2. We've tried 3, 3 didn't work. Try 2, 2. So try this and that. So that's going to be NTT0, 2, O, which doesn't work. That's not a word. The other one you can try 1, 2, 3. You can try 1, 2, 3. Now, now, so if you try 1, 2, 3, that's gonna work, not gonna work because this one, if you take one from that, this one only have 2. So that will not work. So 1, 2, 3 will not work on that. So these two letters, these two words don't give us what we're looking for. This one did not give us either. We're gonna try the next. The next one is gonna be this, is gonna be 2 and win. Now we can try do 2, 2 first. So we're gonna try 2 now. So we try TO from the first and WI from the next. But that doesn't make sense. It's not an English word. So it can't be 2, 2. We're going to try 1, 2, 3. So we're going to try O and W. So O, W, I, and N. So we're going to try O and W and I and N. Now that's not an English word, so we can't go for that. Okay, so we've tried all the options for this and that. It doesn't work. So let's try this one and this one. If you go for 3 to 1, we're going to have WIN. So the 1, 2, 3. You can use all of them. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go for 1 on that one. So the right answer is going to be Y. Okay. So we've got the answer, which is going to be 1, and the words will be wine, win, and every. So it's the whole of that and the beginning of that that gives us the word. Okay. So we are looking for 4-letter word. The 4-letter word can be 2 letters from the first word and 2 for the next one, or it could be 3 from the first and 3 from the first and 1 from the second, or it could be 1 from the first and 3 on the other one to make a 4-letter word. So you need to try this. Right, so I would like you to pause the video and try. You're looking for a 4-letter word that is hidden at the end of this and the beginning of that, or end of this and beginning of that, or end of this and beginning of that, or end of this and beginning of that, or end of this at the beginning of word. You can choose 2, 2, right? Or you can use 2 or 3 to 1, or you can do 1 to 3. So those are the only options that you have. So try question 31 and 35. So 31 and 35. Okay, so I hope you've tried that. Now, so let's have a go at question 31. Sometimes you got to do this one very quickly. You have to do that quickly visually. So if I pick the first 3 there, so these 3 and 8 doesn't work. So I can ignore that. And then I can try 2 2 somewhere. I'm gonna try this 2 there. Those ones don't give me what I'm looking for. I can then try maybe 3 there and 1 there. That doesn't give me a word that I'm looking for. I can try these 3 here. So T, H, E, T, and T. That doesn't give me anything. Okay, so you can just keep trying them in any order. I can try. I could try 2 there and 2 there. Give me opat. That doesn't make sense. I could try S here and then those 3. That doesn't give me any word there. I could try I could try that NDT that doesn't give me what I'm looking for. I could try HTTR, that doesn't give me what I'm looking for. Okay, so you see how hard it is, but you got to make sure you're trying. So I could try that. So TS and that again doesn't give me anything I'm looking for. I could try the whole of run and A, can't get what I'm looking for there. I could try what? I could try what? Try could try, which one have I not tried? I can try, that doesn't give me, so you're just visualizing it. So I could try what? Now I've been trying 3 and 1. What I could do now, I could try 1 and 3. So I could try that. I could try PATH, which seems to be giving me the word path. But I could try E and that doesn't give me anything. But I could try N, A, R, and O to give me 4 letters. There doesn't give me anything. So it seems that the answer is going between top and athletes, giving me the word path. Okay. Right. So that's how to do this thing. So you need to try and think, finding finding the 4 letter word that is hidden somewhere. So for the first one, it's between top and athletes, like we did it. It was T-O, it was P. It was P-A-T-H. So it was this one here. Right? So it was that. That's the word. Okay. Now in the second one, it's between pajamas and shoe, and the word is mass. So pajamas, if you pick these 3 here first, and you pick that one as there, you got 4 letters you're looking for. That's going to be mass. In the next one is skimming and thoroughly, and the word is going to be mint. Okay, so if you pick 3 from here and 1 there, then you're going to end up with mint there. Okay, and then the last one is going to be cobras and half, which is basically rush. So if you look at cobras, pick that, and then pick H from there. You got 4 letter word called rush. And then the fifth one is going to be between Laura and celebrate, which is going to be race. So Laura and celebrate is going to be this one here. Okay, so this one was 2 2. So it could be 3 words, 3 letters and 1 letter, or it could be 2 letters and 2 letters. It could be 1 letter and 3 letters. You got need to look at them that way. Okay. Right, so that's going to be the end of our lesson on finding the hidden 4 letter word. They'll definitely ask you this in 11th class, or they're going to ask you this if you're doing your 7 entrance exam to a private school. So you need to be able to do this. Okay. Thank you.